As a homeowner in Redmond, you're no stranger to the city's beautiful surroundings, temperate climate, and dynamic real estate market. But if you live in an older home or have windows that are outdated, you may not be taking full advantage of your home's potential. Window replacement is often viewed as a luxury or unnecessary expense, but it's actually one of the smartest investments you can make for the long-term health, efficiency, and value of your home. From improving energy efficiency to enhancing your home's curb appeal, replacing old, inefficient windows can have significant benefits. Here's why window replacement in Redmond should be on your radar and why it's a smart investment for homeowners. Improved energy efficiency. Redmond, like much of the Pacific Northwest, experiences fluctuating weather conditions, with cold winters and mild summers. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass, can be a major source of heat loss during the colder months and heat gain during the summer. This means your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside, leading to higher energy bills. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models, you'll notice an immediate difference in your home's temperature regulation. Double-glazed windows with low emissivity, glass and gas fills such as argon or krypton help insulate your home, preventing the escape of warm air during winter and keeping cool air inside during the summer. This reduces the load on your heating and cooling systems, which translates into lower monthly utility bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Increased home value. In the competitive Redmond real estate market, every home improvement you make can add value to your property, and window replacement is no exception. According to industry experts, window replacement offers one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, of any home renovation project. Potential buyers are often looking for homes that are energy efficient, well-maintained, and modernized, and new windows tick all of these boxes. Not only will new windows make your home more attractive to buyers, but they'll also increase the overall value of your property, making it more competitive on the market. Whether you plan to sell in the near future or simply want to increase your home's long-term value, window replacement is a smart and effective way to boost your property's worth. Enhanced curb appeal. Your home's windows are one of the first things people notice when they approach, and outdated or damaged windows can make your house look worn or neglected. On the other hand, replacing your windows with sleek, modern designs can instantly enhance your home's curb appeal and make a great first impression. Whether you choose wood, vinyl, or fiberglass windows, you have a wide range of styles and finishes to choose from that can complement your home's design. New windows not only improve your home's aesthetic but can also match the unique architecture of Redmond homes, from traditional craftsman-style houses to more contemporary designs. By choosing a window style that complements your home's architecture, you can elevate its exterior and create a more visually appealing space. Better security and noise reduction. In addition to energy efficiency and aesthetics, new windows can also enhance the security and privacy of your home. Older windows, particularly those with worn-out frames, are often easier to break into. By upgrading to windows with multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and reinforced frames, you add an extra layer of security to your home, giving you peace of mind. New windows also help with noise reduction. If you live near a busy road, a noisy neighborhood, or even near an airport, new windows can significantly reduce sound infiltration. Many modern windows come with double glazing or laminated glass, which helps dampen outside noise, creating a quieter and more serene living environment inside your home. Lower maintenance and longevity. If your windows are older, you may spend a considerable amount of time and money on repairs, sealing cracks, or even repainting wooden frames. New windows require far less maintenance, especially if you choose materials like vinyl or fiberglass. These materials are durable, low maintenance, and resistant to warping, rotting, or fading, which means you won't have to worry about ongoing upkeep. Furthermore, modern windows are built to last. With proper installation, a quality window replacement can easily last 20-30 years or more, giving you long-term value and reliability. Environmental impact. As a Redmond homeowner, you're likely conscious of your carbon footprint and environmental impact. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient alternatives, you're making a positive contribution to reducing overall energy consumption. More efficient windows reduce the need for excessive heating and cooling, thereby decreasing the demand for energy from non-renewable sources and contributing to a more sustainable future. Additionally, many window manufacturers offer eco-friendly materials and energy-saving options, allowing you to further minimize your home's impact on the environment while enjoying the benefits of a modern, high-performance home. The process is easier than you think. While window replacement may seem like a daunting task, it's a much easier and quicker process than you might imagine when done by a professional. Most window replacement companies in Redmond will handle everything from measuring and ordering to installing and disposal of your old windows. The installation process typically takes just a day or two, depending on the number of windows being replaced, so there's minimal disruption to your daily routine. Conclusion. Window replacement in Redmond is a smart investment that offers multiple benefits, from improving energy efficiency and curb appeal to boosting your home's value and security. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or you're preparing for a future sale, new windows will enhance the comfort, functionality, and beauty of your home, all while reducing energy costs and maintenance efforts. If you're considering upgrading your windows, consult with a local professional to choose the best options for your home and start enjoying the many advantages that come with window replacement.